Hey guys, out here at 14 Blizzard Trail in Fairfield, PA. This is a foreclosure home, but the possibilities are endless. Let's go take a look. Check out this kitchen. Large eat-in area. Little sun porch off the kitchen. That would be super awesome for the summer. This is a bedroom. Very unique bathroom. Here you have a laundry room right off the kitchen. I believe they made this into a closet. Very unique. It has a little peekaboo window right in off of where you come up the steps at. Here's another bedroom. And another bedroom. Here you have a hall bathroom, full bath. Now here's a really unique feature about this property. It is set up for an ensuite if you wanted to have that. Right here you have a 3-car bay garage, a little half bath right off this foyer area. Now here you can go back upstairs into the kitchen. This area is also a common space area for some of your utilities. You could also add another laundry room down here. And then right off of that spot, here you have a full kitchen. Little family eating area here. You can walk out to the backyard. Here you have a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. Full bath. Over here you have another full bathroom. And a bedroom. Thanks for touring this amazing property. Yes, it does need a little bit of work, but could you imagine the possibilities when it is done? You got to get out here and check it out. Until next time, guys. Bye.